Every piece of data in Excel lives inside a cell, identified by its row and column position. Understanding rows, columns, cells, and ranges is essential because every formula, chart, and pivot table you build will reference them. Rows and columns. Columns run vertically and are labeled with letters A, B, C, Z, A, B, up to XFD 16,384 columns. Rows run horizontally and are numbered 1, 2, 3, up to 1,048,576 rows per worksheet. The intersection of a column and a row is a cell. Cell references. A cell reference is the cell's address, column letter plus row number. A1 first cell in column A, row 1, B5 column B, row 5, D10 column D, row 10. The cell currently selected is called the active cell. Its address is shown in the name box, and its content appears in the formula bar. Selecting ranges. A range is a group of cells. Ranges are written as top left, bottom right. A1. A 10 cells down column A. B2. D5 a rectangular block, columns B, D, and rows 2, 5. A the entire column A. 5 to 5 the entire row 5. To select a range, click and drag, or click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell. Use Ctrl plus click to select non-adjacent cells. Navigation shortcuts. These shortcuts save real time when working with larger sheets. Ctrl plus arrow, jump to the edge of a data block. Ctrl plus home, jump to cell A1. Ctrl plus end, jump to the last used cell. Ctrl plus shift plus arrow, select from the active cell to the edge. Try this. On a fresh worksheet, enter names in column AEG, Sarah, John, Amaka. Sales values in column B, for example, 450, 920, 1,000, 280. Dates in column C, for example, the 3rd of January 2025. Then practice selecting the range A1, C3, using both the mouse and the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus End.